Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video from the series for Pinterest. In this one I wanted to show you guys how to set up a campaign in Pinterest ads, so how you can use Pinterest ads for your business. First of all, this is my dashboard on Pinterest ads, okay, that I've just created, so I can show you guys exactly how you can use this. As you can see here in my browser, you will find the platform on ads.pinterest.com. Obviously, if you already have a Pinterest account, you will automatically be logged in with your Pinterest account. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. Here you have different statistics and analytics for your campaigns. Okay, and here you have the two different types of campaigns, because you have two different types of campaigns that you can create. And here you have different guides, okay, for your ads from Pinterest that I highly recommend you to read. They are in PDF format. You can download them. They are the best practice guide and how to make great pins, because they will help you to get maximum out of your Pinterest ads campaigns. So this is how it looks like. You will have on a menu in the upper part of your dashboard. You will have analytics for all of your campaigns, different tools like a bulk editor, the billing, and the conversion tracking, which is very important for any ad campaign. And you have the campaigns, all engagement campaigns and all traffic campaigns. As you have figured out already, you have everything is split out between the two type of campaigns that you can have: the engagement campaigns and the traffic campaigns. Now, the traffic campaigns are designed to drive traffic to your website, exactly as you can see here. You will practically have on a CPC that you will pay a cost per click to Pinterest. So you have to create pins that engage people and practically entices them to enter on your website, to click on the pin and to enter on your website. And you also have engagement campaigns, which in my opinion on the long run can have better results for you overall as a return on investment, because they engage with your audience. So let me give you an example. You create a very good pin that is also linked towards on website, your store, for example, but you create a campaign that gets engagement. Engagement will also mean that you will get a lot of repins, okay, from people that see your pin. That means higher exposure, but that is free exposure that you will get, okay? For the traffic campaigns, you pay for every click that goes to your website, for every visitor that goes to your website. On the other hand, in the engagement campaigns, you will get a repin from somebody that sees your ad, okay? From the people that follow that person, some of them, they will see the repin that they have made. That means your pin. And maybe 50% will see that repin, that means your pin, and 10 of them will click on your pin, and so on for a very long period of time. As you can remember, a pin on Pinterest has a lifetime, a very big lifetime, more than 6 months. Okay, so with an engagement campaign, you can practically generate traffic for your business for 6 months from now. Okay, with a campaign that lasts for 2, 3, or 5 days, you can generate traffic for 6 months now.